Assalamualaikum geng. Hari ni aku dengan
Jantan.
aku dengan goalkeeper terbaik Taman Pinggiran ni akan cuba membuat
Sama pinggiran pedani.
satu latihan. Come on Dres, come on. Come on Dres, come on. You are the best goalkeeper. You are the best goalkeeper in this world.